Assalamualaikum. Good morning, Prof. I thought this will be an easy way to communicate the progress. So, Prof, so this all these days I have been trying to leverage Python uh, to do the return prices, and it's quite easy. Now, manually, I have to, if I was to do this manually, I have to create a column and then calculate the return prices like this. So it takes a lot of time, and then repeat for all this 800 companies, 861 companies. But now with the use of Python, it automatically calculates everything here, all the return prices for all the companies within just a few minutes. So I have been trying to use the Python skills. Sometimes the codes are not working, that's why it takes a lot of time for me to redo this again and again. But then once I figure out the correct code, it's quite easy for me to calculate the return prices. Alhamdulillah. Now my confusion is, Prof, that day, unfortunately, I couldn't note some things that you said. I am starting from 2023, but then after I calculate the return prices, obviously I will lose 2023. So I think that day you said to start from 2000 or from the newest one or to the oldest one. So that is one confusion. I couldn't note that in the notes. It's okay, Prof. Now that I have the code, if you tell me to reverse this, I can do this. No problem. Now the code is there, so it's just 5 minutes to redo this whole thing. So it's not a problem. The other thing is, Prof. Now after I calculate the return prices, what do I do with these years? Should I delete these years from this company? Also, the other thing is, now when I'm now this is only for the return prices. So when I'm adding the other variable for this company, so I'm assuming that they will not have the other variable for this company will also not have these years, because I'm assuming the reason why this is 0 is because they started they listed on in Bursa Malaysia on 2010. So that means the previous year's records will not be visible from their books. But however, in a very distant case, for example, they might have a record of these years for another variable. So in that case, what will happen? Um, yeah, something like this, Prof. Now here in this case, they have a 0 in the middle of the data. There is a continuous stream of data here from 2022 until here, but then there is a 0 here for the return prices, and here also there's a 0 coming in the middle of this. So what will happen in these cases? What should I do? Thank you, Prof. Assalamu alaikum.